Apparently, I went to school with Telfar. Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from Domesticatedme.com here with a special unboxing of my very first Telfar piece. If you're new to my unboxing videos, the way that I do it is that I talk about the brand, the collection, the piece, what drew me to it, the shopping experience, and then I do the unboxing and then follow it up with my final thoughts. Now this one will be a live unboxing in that I've only opened up the bag to just make sure that it's here, it's present, it's the right one, so that I don't have to return it, but I will be pulling it out for the first time here with you guys. All right, so let's get started. Telfar is a really beloved brand here in New York City. In fact, they call these bags the Brooklyn Birkin because so many people in Brooklyn carry these bags, but people are carrying these bags all over the country. It's not just a New York thing. Beyonce is not only a huge fan and carries Telfar bags, but she actually included the brand in a song recently and says that her Telfars are imported. Her Hermes bags, they're in storage. So Telfar bags have become super popular, and according to List, the Telfar bags was the most wanted bag of 2020. But they're certainly not a new brand. The designer behind Telfar is Telfar Clemens. Telfar Clemens is a fellow Queensite. He was born here in Queens. He is Liberian American. And in the process of doing a little research on Telfar, I realized we went to college together. Unfortunately, I did not have the pleasure of meeting Telfar or be around in the same circles, but that's definitely my loss. He founded Telfar in 2005, and inclusivity was always at the center of it. In fact, the motto for the brand is not for you, for everyone. Most of his items are vegan. He recently introduced a couple of leather pieces, but most of it is vegan. His pieces are non-gendered and very affordable. These famous Telfar bags start at $150 for the small one, the medium is $202, and then the large totes are $257. Speaking of the bags, he was actually inspired by shopping bags and the Bloomingdale's brown paper bags, to be specific. That is why his bags have those folded creases in them, because they're meant to look like shopping bags. Telfar and his brand are really innovative. His new collections come out as drops, and they're released on a certain day at a certain time, and then anyone can go to the website at the time that they drop and purchase a bag, but they do tend to sell out very quickly. And he recently introduced a new pricing model where he releases a collection at a very low price, and then the price goes up every second, and when the product sells out, that will be the price for that item forever. He also introduced a bag security program where on a certain day you can pre-order a bag from any of his previous released bags, but it can take up to 6 months to fulfill. Now let's talk about press coverage. As I mentioned, Beyonce is a huge fan of Telfar. It was also one of Oprah's favorite things, and a lot of celebrities wear Telfar. I feel like that's one of the reasons why it also became hugely popular. And it's been called the success story of the because it became so popular, as I mentioned, the most wanted bag of 2020. They've also done a few collaborations, have been featured on television, and they will be having a flagship store here in New York very soon. Really excited about that. Because they sell out, they also have a very good resale value, but I would be very careful about buying these on the resale market. There are fakes already, even though this is a brand that is very accessible because of the pricing. And if you follow fashion, you may remember the story, but there was a woman who was selling fake Telfar bags and asking people to support a Black-owned business as she was ripping off a Black-owned business. Yeah, you can't make this up. So there you go. There's a little bit of history about Telfar. Obviously, for all of those reasons, I was interested in the Telfar bag as a New Yorker, seeing it around, seeing that it was really good, sturdy quality. It's a great tote. New Yorkers are known for carrying our bags. We carry a lot of things. We got to get on the subway. We go out to work. We have after-work events. We tend to carry around large bags. A lot of us do anyway. And so that is why it's very much a New York bag, because it's made for New Yorkers, I feel, but works obviously for everyone. They release in really fun colors. So I've definitely been wanting to add a Telfar bag, and this bag in particular I've been wanting for months and months. This is a collaboration piece, and it was originally released a year or 2 years ago, and when I saw it, of course, they'd all sold out. I did see some in the resale market, but because I know that there are people who make fakes, I just never purchased it off the resale market, but I still love this piece. I kept checking the website to see if there was a re-release. I also just kept checking back on the website to see if there was another date for a future bag security program so that I could order this one. But then one day, searching. I'm telling you, I have a browser on my phone open. Every once in a while, I just kept checking, and I found it at Selfridges. So I purchased this at Selfridges, and even though it's from abroad, after the duties and fees and all that, I wound up coming to about the exact same price as it retailed here in the States. So it was a really great find. I actually shared it on my Instagram stories when I found it because I wanted others to know, like, oh my God, if you wanted this bag, now's the time to get it. And actually, now's a good time to introduce myself if you are new here. Hey there, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores, and I am a lifestyle blogger and YouTuber. I create content on fashion, beauty, travel vlogs, home decor, you name it, I cover it all. So if any of those topics interest you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can set up your notifications for all. I make new videos every week, and if you have your notifications on, you won't miss a thing. So definitely make sure that you are following me on Instagram, and all of my socials are linked in the description box below, because when I see something that I know a lot of us are interested in, or if something's on sale, I will share it on an Instagram story. So anyway, so I've got this at Selfridges. Here is the box. As I mentioned, I just opened it just to make sure that it was the, I got this from abroad, so if there's an issue, I need to return it right away. Thankfully, there isn't. So it came with the receipt, came wrapped. There's that yellow Selfridges bag. Came wrapped in yellow Selfridges gift wrapping paper. And here it is. It is so cute. Oh my gosh, I've wanted this bag for so long. I am so happy to finally add it to my collection. This is a collaboration that Telfar did with UGG. I'm not a huge UGG fan, but I just found this bag to be so cute. Look at that, super cute. There's the Telfar logo, and then on the other side is the UGG logo. Here it says UGG x Telfar. I keep saying it, I swear, I am not a small bag person. If it can't fit my iPhone, I'm not interested. I need to carry a lot. I'm a mom. When I go out, I tend to do a bunch of errands, as much errands as I can. So I am not a small bag person, but I keep buying them. So I feel like I need to stop saying that because if you've been watching my channel, if you're subscribed, I've been buying a lot of small bags, but I can't help it. It's so cute, and actually it fits quite a bit. It's actually roomier than you would think. Okay, so here are the tags, which I have just removed. Inside is the dust bag. Looks like Selfridges took one of those file folding classes. Look at that. I fold like that too. And then it's a snap button closure, and there it is. So cute. The strap, the crossbody strap, oh, there's two of them. I didn't realize that. There's two crossbody straps, and they are attached. You can't detach them. And of course, the handle. Here's the interior. There's no inside pocket, no pockets whatsoever, but that's fine. Look, I can fit my phone. Can I fit my phone? Where's my phone? I don't know where my phone is. I have an iPhone 12 Pro. Can it fit? Let's see. It will fit flat, but you kind of have to put it in diagonally for it to fit. Or you can just kind of let it stick out like that. Definitely fit keys in here. For a small bag, it fits quite a bit. It fits quite a bit. All right, so there you go. Like I said, I love this bag. I love this bag. I always thought it was so cute. I really wanted it. I think it would look great with a camel pea coat in colder weather. I have a feeling I'm going to be buying more. I actually really want to buy a lilac middle-sized one for my daughter for school. But they've just released a lot of really fun colors, and I just have a feeling, I know, that this will not be my one and only Telfar bag. So there you go. That was my unboxing of the small tote from Telfar's collaboration with UGG. So excited to use this. Let me know down in the description box below if you are a Telfar fan, if you have any in your collection. Do you have any recommendations? Do you have any tips? Let me know down in the description box below. We're a community here, so we don't gatekeep. Let's share our tips, our recommendations. If you have tips about how to shop the sale, how you've been able to get your hands on one of those crazy drops, let me know. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.